Wow! Galing ah. Try mo nga dyan, Daddy. Oh, look. Can you do that? Can you do that? No, I bet you can't. Go, jump there, Cedrin, jump. It's also a trampoline. Huh? No, it's not. Tinula. Climbing the wall. It's a mountain climbing thing. I mean, a wall climbing. You might just... You fix your sock. Oh. Ano? Baka pang-balance yan dito. Ah! Baliw-baliw siguro si Baby Boy dito pag dinala.
There's a rock climbing dito.
Ano sabi ko?
A rock climbing. Ganito kaya dito?
Ano pa rin yun? Jump! Go push you over there again. Ah!
Watch me, Mom. This one.
Quenk, quenk, quenk.
One more chance.
Ito kaya yung pang-bungee jump.
Bungee jump.
Ay, trampoline. Yung pwede kang
Ah! Ink, ink, ink. Hey, let's go climb up there in the stairs. You know, we're not gonna slide naman eh. We're going to climb lang. Oh, dali, go. We have to try everything. Try 500. Ito mo. We need to try everything or else they're gonna let us go.
Yeah.
You know, oh, I want that, ano. What do you call that? Obstacle course. Over there. Can you do the obstacle course? Just the obstacle course. Can you do that? Can you go? Yan, walk in there. Stand up! You have to stand up. You're a cheater. That's the lava.
Come on.
Hey, come here. Kasi mana siya sa akin. Ha? Tedrin! Wow, galing ah. Sige nga, can you move nga? Yeah, it's like the Squid Game. Stand up! The floor is lava! Ah! Run, run, run! Yay! Winner! Taas pala dito. Kala ko kaya ko to. Nasa na to? Akala ko kaya ko. Sige na. Where are you? Where are you? Hey, where are you, people? Where are you? Cedrin, where are you? I can't find you. Hey. Hey, people, where are you? Cedrin. Huh. Where are you? Cedrin? Where are you? What? Where?
Oh, Mom is here.
Ah! I got
Daddy!
oh, there, oh, I can see him. Ah, da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Ah, da, 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 da. You need to get down here. Cedrin. Come on, let's go.
I'll choose the green one too. I'll choose the green one. Or the orange so that we can go with Cedric. I can go with Cedric.
Ah! Halika dito.
Ayun na talaga. Go, Mom. Basta ka, may video ka na.
Takot ako. Dapat pa dito ako sa gitna, sa dulo.
Pwede naman sa gitna. Kaso wala mga kapitid.
Ha? Cedrin. Kinakabahan. Oh my God! Kinakabahan. Borgot ako. Oh my God. Tulak mo. Slowly. Hingal ako.
Saya.
Sakit sa dibdib. Nakatakot.
Mabilis.
Oo. Ay, nako. Yeah, can you climb here na lang? In the slide? Yeah, climb in there. Ikaw nga, try mo nga. Yoko nga. Ba't ako? Ay, naku, sakit sa dibdib. Kulak mo pataas. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. What did you do? Ko-atay na sayahan dito. How about the airplane? Do you want to go on the airplane? Huh? Or the shark? Oh my God, there's a shark. No, be careful. O later na, wait lang. Pagpag mo muna, pagpag. Pagpag. Pagpaga mo muna to. Oh, telescope. Can you... No, it's a submarine, diba? Go. Go. Silip. Oh, what's in there?
Hello, dear kids. We hope you had a fun and safe playtime. Time to wrap up the playtime to make way for the disinfection that will take place in 10 minutes. Please proceed to the syrup area where
What?
exactly 1 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you and see you.
You look here. You look here. then you check with them. You look here.
Yeah.
You look through here. Alin niya kaya?
Wala sa inyo.
Didisinfect.
Hey! Go, go, go! Daddy can see you, you think? The big one? Daddy, wait lang ah. Sarap talaga sa mata nitong part na to.
Ha?
Sarap sa mata yung part na yan dyan. Oh, mag-slide ka na. Hey, mag-slide ka na dito. No.
Ay, siya slide. Pero sa
Selen, you want some cup of tea? Asa ka na? Sana? Yeah, that's the baggage check. They check you. It's like an X-ray machine.
No, it's for baggage.
Yeah, it's like for the things. This is for the people. Oh. Next. Hey, Captain. Aye, aye, Captain.
Oh, yeah, my kid too. My kid too. Oh.
When you press all of the buttons. Okay, there. Buttons there.
Here.
Yep. And the knobs.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ready for takeoff.
There.
You have to sit there.
Sit.
No, do you want some cup of tea? There's a cup of tea in there.
Come on.
Make me a tea. Make me a cup of tea, please. Hi, can I order some tea and a donut and a cup of and a piece of cake?
Okay.
Wow, that's a coffee maker. I don't know.
Sugar.
I think there's no sugar. It can work. I want tea, and donut and a piece of cake. Ang mga kinagpis na mga batang ayaw umuwi.
There's sugar.
Thank you. Do you want to climb up in that house again? Over there?
What do you want? What floor? What do you want for your snack?
I want a piece of donut and a slice of cake, please.
A slice
A slice
of donut.
of cake and a piece of donut. Peekaboo. I see.
Is done.
Oh my god. Seriously? What did you do? You spilled my coffee.
May I make another one?
You say sorry, Mom.
Sorry, Mom, but I'll make another one.
I'll replace it, Mom.
Here you go.
Thank you. Let's cheers. Very good.
I have a donut.
Oh, this one's mine. It's a big donut like this. Yeah.
Let me eat. Okay.
Yum. Yum.
Let's make a